Hi everybody, we're going to take a look at establishing communication between our PowerSchool and Canvas. So something you might notice at the beginning of every semester is that either your grades are not going over to PowerSchool, or when you visit the Grade Sync tab, you're getting error messages like these. Sometimes they say completed with the little warning symbol, sometimes they say failed with the warning symbol. One of the things that we need to do is make sure that we have imported our categories from PowerSchool. In order to do this, we're going to go to the assignments page. And on the assignments page, you will see your categories that you've manually created. Any category that you have created will not have the little paper symbol with the arrow pointing to it. And to bring those categories over, we need to go over, push the three dots, and then select import assignment groups. Now I've already done this for this course, so I'm not going to do it again, but you'll see a little notification pop up that it has completed the request for your categories. And then typically if you wait about 5 to 10 minutes or refresh a few times, then you will see those categories over, and I'll show you the difference between those categories here now. So you can see here the categories that have the paper symbol with the arrow pointing to it. That is a PowerSchool category that has been brought over from there. So what I'm going to do is go to all of my manually created categories, and I'm going to move those into the correct categories by PowerSchool. So I'm going to go down and find the quiz category and select move, and it might take a few minutes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete out that category because that category does not go to PowerSchool, and I don't ever want to accidentally place something there in the future. Then I'm going to go up here to the classwork homework, and again, I'm going to go through that same process. It might take a few moments. Just be patient with it, especially if you have a lot of assignments already imported in. It could take a couple of minutes here to do that. So just be patient, but that's the easiest way I've found, as opposed to moving them all individually. So then I'm going to do the same thing where I go in and delete out this category. Now, anytime you import some assignments from another course, occasionally if you copy from another course, it might populate into imported assignments. So what you need to do with that is just move those into the correct PowerSchool category and go from there. Additionally, what I suggest doing when importing your categories over from PowerSchool is deleting out any of these extra categories that you don't ever use. So for example, bell ringers. Typically, especially if you're using the weighted system right now, if your department is, those are going to be set for you. They're going to be classwork, homework, and then some type of assessment, maybe project or lab in there. So anything that does not fit in with those, I'm going to go in and just delete those out until all that is left are the categories where I want my things placed in PowerSchool. If you have any questions about this step, you can feel free to let me know.